Hello and welcome. This is a short video introducing you to ProteanCMS. This is content management system we have built here at Ionic over maybe 20 years. It's evolved very much over the years, but as a digital agency, we have built many hundreds of sites for many clients, and all of that knowledge and understanding of what clients need on their website has been distilled into this platform. Okay, so so we're looking right now at a demo website that we have here that has got all of the modules and features that we use on the system, with a lot of sort of common sort of layouts and features. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in here, and I'm going to show you how it works. So to get into the admin system, hit /log on and enter your username and password. Okay, now we're logged on. Now we're logged on. We've got a control panel with a dashboard with sort of some of the features. You see over the top here, the key areas of the system. We've got content, we've got membership, subscriptions is a feature we've got, email marketing, e-commerce, we've got some reporting, and then some settings details here. So it's a content management system, so let's have a look at the content. Okay, so here you can see we're navigating through the website as a user would, but we've got additional buttons over various items on the page that you can edit. Okay, so making it very easy to understand and see the layout of any particular page. Okay, so there's a lot on this home page, so let's create a new empty page so we can help to understand it. We go through to the menus, okay, and you can see what you've got here is a hierarchical tree of pages in the website, okay, and at any point here we can add pages. So we're going to add a new page underneath the home page, and let's call that test page. Okay, on the page settings we've got a whole range of things here. I won't go through that in too much detail. Okay, so we can save that page. So we've now got a new test page. By default it's hidden. You can elect to show it here. Let's put this test page to the top of the menu, and then when we click on the page you can see this is a new empty page, but the test page has been added to the menu. Okay, so within the layout you've got these areas here where you can add blocks of content to. So here we are, column 1, okay, and this add button allows us to add content to this page. All right, and here we have got a menu to give us all of the different types of content available in ProteanCMS. Okay, so we've got blocks of formatted text, we've got images, we've got email forms, we can embed Google Maps and videos. Okay, we've got various layouts, so various arrangements of columns, accordions or tabs. Okay, we've got content lists, so you can have contacts, a document, events, FAQs, job vacancies, news articles or blogs, organization lists, tag lists, testimonials or videos. We've then got a range of image galleries. We've got navigation and links templates, so you can create submenus, site maps, lists of links and your social links. Okay, and here we've got, because this has got e-commerce enabled, there's a bunch of e-commerce modules available. We've also got membership enabled on this site, and you've got various membership modules. There's a few advanced things for maybe embedded a chunk of HTML or a document request or an advanced email form. We've got some search features here and subscriptions, because this demo site has got subscriptions enabled as well. So we're going to start off with the most basic type of content we've got, which is a block of formatted text. Okay, so we're adding a formatted text module to the page. Okay, so here we go. The block of content has a title, and then we can enter any text we want to here. And within this we can create bulleted lists using this normal standard text editor feature. Okay, and all of the other bits and pieces you associate with this. So bold text, select that, make it bold. You can make something italic. There you go. So standard text editor that you're probably quite familiar with. So we save that bit of text, and that's been added to the page. Nice and simple. Okay, but let's go back in and see what other options that we've got on the module. So most modules have a number of other options. Okay, so here you've got a footer link. So if we want a link at the bottom of the module, we can pick a page on the site. So we might want to link that to the page that we've got called formatted text, and then you've got read more text there. Okay, so we can hit that, and we've now got a read more button that will take us through to that page. Okay, we might want to do things around the presentation. So this module you can select from a range of different box styles. So let's hit the info style. Okay, so that is the info style. Okay, different color variations, and all of these can be set up depending upon the design theme. So we can create a different box style specifically for you for any of these options here. You can also pick how you want the heading to be. Do you want it centered, left or right? So let's have a centered icon, and you can also pick an icon to go along with your header. Let's pick an ambulance icon and pick the size of that icon. Okay, and so there you go. That's some of the options. Let's just go back in and have a quick look at other things that we can do. There's some animation options, so you can choose to animate and how things load, and we've got some advanced settings here that allow you to hide this particular module on certain devices and specify exactly how the heading comes through. You've got publish date and expire date on everything, and you can set things to be hidden. Okay, I think that's enough, and a lot of those options are available on all modules. Okay, so if we now go and add another module to the page, and this time we're going to pick a layout module with some column layouts, and we'll say on a large screen like this we want 3 columns. Okay, so we can save that, and you can now see in here we've got 3 blocks that we can add. So any module you can move around the page by picking on these, clicking on these 6 dots. You can drag and drop, and you can place that in one of these locations. Okay, and then in any of the other locations we can add something else. So let's go in here and pick an image. Okay, so we can pick an image. We can pick an image from the image library. You can upload images here. You can sort of navigate around, delete images. So yeah, let's pick an image. That's a nice one. And again, you've got box styles, icons. You've got animation options for that. You've got the footer links. So all of the common module options you've got. Okay, so let's save that image. So here we go. We've added that image to the page. Okay, now the other type of content that I just want to show you before we sign off is where we've got content lists. So let's add a new one, content list, and let's pick a news article list. Okay, so this is going to show, let's say, latest news. It's going to give us a list of news articles. Again, you've got all of the presentation options there. So we could choose to stick this in a box, but for now, let's just save this as a module for latest news. So sitting there on the page, we can now add news articles to this list. Okay, so let's go and add a new news article. And you've got headline. This is our headline. Okay, and then you might have some intro text, and in here you might have, this is the main article, and associated with that article you might want to highlight an image. So we go in and let's pick another building image. Here we go. So add that image and we can save our news article. And you can see that news article is now being added to that list on this page. Okay, so that's a quick introduction. Very easy and simple system to use. We've got lots of clients that are very happy using it. All of these features come out of the box with the platform, unlike WordPress, where all of this page building functionality is built into a theme. So you're getting all of this functionality out of the box, built into the system, designed and architected to all work together. So if you've got any questions, feel free to drop us a line or fill in the form on the ProteanCMS website, and don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Thank you. I'll see you again soon.